I bet you didn't know sending money from GCash to PayPal is way easier in 2025. Stick with me for the simplest guide ever. Let's get started. First, you'll need a GCash MasterCard or a linked debit card. Open your PayPal account and go to Wallet. Tap the plus and pick Debit or Credit Card. Now type in your GCash MasterCard details, card number, expiry date, and all that good stuff. Just follow the on-screen steps to finish linking. Quick tip: make sure all your info is correct. Mistakes mean delays. Next, let's move your money. On PayPal, go to Wallet and hit Transfer Money. Choose Transfer to your bank account. And pick your GCash MasterCard. Enter how much you want to send, then confirm. Heads up, transfers might take a few days and there could be small fees. Always double-check your details and watch for updates in your GCash app. And that's it. Easy, right? You've just nailed the GCash to PayPal transfer for 2025.